In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the WaveTrend Oscillator WT Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. Let's start right inside your TradingView chart. Make sure you're logged in and looking at any market chart. It can be crypto, Forex, Forex, stocks, whatever you like. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toolbar that runs across your chart area. We're going to begin by opening the Indicators menu. Look for the button labelled Indicators, usually near the top of the chart. Go ahead and click that. This opens the main Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and apply almost any tool inside TradingView. Inside that window, you'll see a search bar at the very top. This is the fastest way to find what you need, instead of scrolling through long lists. Click into the search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, in that search field, type WaveTrend Oscillator WT. As you type, TradingView will start filtering results in real time. Make sure you spell it correctly, because a small typo can make it disappear from the list. After a second, you should see the WaveTrend Oscillator WT appear in the results panel below the search bar. Once you see it, move your mouse over that result and click on it one time. As soon as you click, TradingView will automatically add the WaveTrend Oscillator to your chart. It usually appears in a separate panel underneath your main price chart, showing coloured lines and levels that react to price movements. If it does not appear right away, double check that you click directly on the indicator name. Now that the indicator is on your chart, let's go into the settings so you can customize it. On the left side of the oscillator panel, or sometimes at the top of that panel, you'll see an icon that looks like a gear. That is the settings button for the indicator. Click on the gear to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can adjust inputs like lengths and smoothing, as well as the colors and style of the lines. Take a moment to look through these options and tweak them so they're easy for you to read. When you're happy with how it looks, click OK or close the window to apply those changes. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want the full experience, make sure you use the link in my description to sign up. That way, you can unlock more advanced features and run multiple indicators smoothly on your charts.